I scored both of them, like the one, and I knew, and I didn't know who made which one. So, hi
Hi
guys.
guys! So we are back again with another food challenge, and of course it is the quarantine edition or Konsa edition kar sakte hain,
Exactly.
right? So here we are doing a food challenge for the first time with our
Dad!
and we are super excited for it because in lockdown I think we all have become chefs, and my sister and I are competing for the trophy of a winner as to who is the better cook or chef in the house. We all are really curious to know that.
We already know who the
Yes,
winner
yes.
is.
Yes, assumptions are not good in life. So moving on, we are going to have a food competition. It's a very simple competition. Didi will make something and I will make something which is of a similar kind, and Dad will be the judge. He'll judge us according to the presentation of the food, the taste, the texture. Okay, so Dad, do you have something to say? What do we make today?
I think you should try something healthy and
Wow.
something maybe organic.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, Dad is asking for healthy. Okay. Oh
Yeah.
my god, Dad is asking for healthy. Okay. Any suggestions from you?
Do we do some bakes like healthy bakes?
There are so many healthy baking recipes already on Rasoi Saga. Do check it out. Today we'll do something simple, quick for you all that you all can try at home as well. We'll make smoothies.
Yeah, I think a smoothie
that's a
would
good
sound.
idea.
Yeah, I think Dad loves
Yeah.
smoothies.
Yeah, I love.
And because he's always busy with work, so it's easy for him to have.
Yes, absolutely.
So, Priyanka will make a different smoothie. I'll make a different smoothie with any ingredients that we like. It has to be healthy, that is the only criteria. And Dad will come in the next shot telling us who wins. So, let's go and find out.
I think
All
we
the best.
already know who the winner is.
All the best to both of you.
So, of course, the better person goes first. So, I am making a healthy smoothie, and my base will be frozen bananas. I will be adding some more ingredients like vanilla essence, honey, chia seeds, and let's see how it turns out, guys. So, let's go. I'm putting in 5 frozen bananas. These are medium sized bananas, which I have frozen for 2 hours, and now I'm putting them in the mixer. Now I'm putting in half tablespoon of sugar-free peanut butter. Now I'm putting in half tablespoon of honey. Next is a few drops of vanilla essence. Now I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now I have a glass of soya milk that I am putting in here. Soya milk goes in. I think we need a little bit more soya milk, so I'll use that. So the rest of the soya milk goes in. And that's it, guys. Now we are ready to blend all of this in the mixie. Okay, so it's nice and ready. Look at that color. I think it has come out well.
Now I'm going to decorate my smoothie bowl with sliced bananas, some pomegranate, chia seeds and a dash of honey.
So my smoothie bowl is nice and ready. It was a very fast process, I would say. And there are no artificial or any sweetener added in this. It is only the sweetness from the bananas. I've added a dash of honey. There's pomegranates, chia seeds, blueberries, and I'm super excited for our judge to taste it. Now let us see what is Priyanka doing.
Okay, so we all saw what Pratibha made, and whatever, I'm not challenged. And I am going to be making a mango smoothie bowl, and I like my bowl to be colorful, and I like lots of different elements in it. So visually it's going to be a treat, and hopefully to eat also it will be a treat. So let's go. So this is the pulp of 2 mangoes that I have kept frozen for over 3 hours now. So we are going to put in the mango pulp. It's a very simple recipe. Also goes into this, which will sort of give it a nice creamy texture. A bit of vanilla for flavor, and we blitz it again. You can see how the texture is, because it's been frozen for so long. Rich, creamy, almost like an ice cream sort of a texture. So before it starts to melt, you will not only have to decorate it, but hopefully consume it as well. So I will be sprinkling some walnuts, chia seeds. Then I'm going to be adding some dates. So dates from this side, some more dates. I'm going to finish with some pomegranate, because not only is pomegranate a wonderful flavor with mango, but I think it gives a nice contrast as well. So this is my mango smoothie bowl. I took 2 things into consideration. First, that it should taste good. Second, it should be easy to make. So all you need is very basic 2 ingredients, which is frozen mango and some coconut milk, and your base is ready. And with whatever fruits, dry fruits you have at home, you can just simply decorate it. And because yellow is such a nice bright color, no matter what you put in contrast to it, it starts to look very good, like we have here with this bowl. So now let's see who wins.
So guys, I understand that the smoothies are now made, it is done. Okay, so now I'm waiting anxiously for seeing the smoothies, and not only that, taste it too. Now after tasting, I'll score both the smoothies based on 4 parameters. The parameters are presentation, health score, taste, and overall get up of the dish. Now I'll expect both of you to come and bring the smoothies in one go, so that I don't know who has made which one. So I will now start. Okay, so this I am trying. Well, it looks very good. Looks like some mango texture is there, and you have dates, chia seeds, and pomegranate. Very interesting. Texture is very nice, taste is very nice. Okay, let me score this. Now I will test this one. Well, this has a like very chocolatey kind of a like presentation. Banana flavored, again chia seed is there, and pomegranates. Okay, so now I am ready with the results. Both of you can come.
So Dad, go ahead and tell us who won.
So like I don't know who won, because I tasted both and I didn't know who made which one. So I scored both of them. So like the one I tasted first is the winner, because it scored like 15.5 out of 20, and the second one very close, but it scored 14 out of 20. So based on the 4 parameters, as I
made
said
the number
earlier,
one.
presentation,
Shut
it
up.
scored taste and overall. So that was a like fair and like for me it was a fair judgment because
No tea for you today evening, Dad. No tea for you today evening, Dad.
So I won, as it is evident,
oh,
because
congratulations.
thank you, Dad.
Congratulations to you too, because
In sportsman
participation
spirit.
is more
Yeah, no,
important
thank you. I don't want
than winning.
The dad jokes are slowly coming in now. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. This is a very new format that we tried in today's Rasoi Saga video with healthy smoothie bowls, and Dad was the judge. He didn't know who had made which smoothie bowl, and clearly he decided that Priyanka is the winner. I don't know based on what, because mine clearly. Anyway. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, what should they do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, absolutely. Subscribe to Rasoi Saga.
Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video.